Your whole life's a disappointment.
At least I don't look like a frog.
People love frogs. You look like an owl.
Owls are wise. You know what else is wise? Old people, like you.
Yeah, I'm old. Shouldn't you be joining a boy band?
You look like a bulldog.
You look like a poodle.
People make calendars of poodles. How many bulldog calendars have you seen?
10. I collect them.
They must be worth a lot because they're so rare. Speaking of rare, when was your last date?
Tuesday. We had clams. They look just like you.
Are you sweating because I smell gravy?
Yeah? Well, lucky for us, we already have the turkey.
Hey, Ireland called. They want their leprechaun back.